Moon landing, what we didn't see. July 20th, 1969. A date forever etched in the annals of history. On this monumental day, humanity collectively held its breath as Neil Armstrong took that giant leap for mankind, setting foot on the lunar surface for the very first time. But what if there's more to the Apollo missions than meets the eye? What if the story we know is only the tip of the iceberg? Could the enigmatic group known as Majestic 12 have had a hand in what we didn't see? Were there hidden agendas and secret operations that the public was never made aware of? Join us as we delve into the mysteries and uncover the secrets behind one of humanity's greatest achievements. The Apollo program was a monumental achievement, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. It marked a significant milestone in space exploration, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible. But it was also conducted during the height of the Cold War, a time of secrecy, paranoia, and rumored UFO activity. The geopolitical tensions between the United States and the Soviet Union added layers of complexity and urgency to the missions. Some believe MJ-12, a supposed secret committee of scientists, military leaders, and government officials, influenced the missions to investigate more than just lunar soil. They speculate that the Apollo missions had hidden agendas, possibly involving the search for extraterrestrial life or advanced technologies. These theories are fueled by the release of declassified documents and the mysterious nature of certain mission details. While official records focus on scientific exploration, the whispers of MJ-12 continue to intrigue and provoke curiosity among conspiracy theorists and space enthusiasts alike. Unconfirmed accounts suggest Apollo astronauts encountered unexplained phenomena on the moon: lights, objects, even structures. Could MJ-12 have known about these mysteries beforehand? Whistleblowers have claimed that NASA's public missions were only part of the story. Could classified objectives, including recovering evidence of extraterrestrial activity, have been overseen by MJ-12? The moon's far side, always hidden from Earth, has long been the subject of speculation. Was the Apollo program tasked with investigating something we weren't meant to know? From shadowy conspiracies to incredible achievements, the moon landing has always been a topic of intense fascination and debate. While we celebrate the bravery and ingenuity of the astronauts who made that giant leap for mankind, there are still many questions that linger. Were there hidden agendas, secret missions? The moon landing holds secrets we may never fully uncover. Join us on emgotv1 as we delve deeper into these mysteries. Subscribe to explore the stories they don't want you to know.